Hi guys, it's Mrs. Tab. I am here to teach you how to log on to Zearn. There are multiple ways that you can do it. So the first one that I'm going to show you is I am going to show you how to do it on a web browser. So I'm going to type in Zearn and it's .org, or you can search it in the Google search bar. When you get here, if your username and password is not already in there, like you've never logged on before, the first thing that I would do is I would go to the login tracker password that your teacher has sent you, and it will have your username and password for Zearn. So I added my own son to my class so I could show you guys what it would look like from this point of view. So I have his username in there and then his password. So then I will click sign in. Some people have already asked for a 6-digit or number class code. You will need to get that from your own teacher, as every class is different. So when you first log in, you will see that there's the number gym up here, and it will say hey, and then your name and whose class you're in. And they're called missions instead of lessons, which makes it a lot more fun. You will first then click start. And it will start with like fluency practice just to get your brain ready for the math lesson. So it's going to ask some questions. So, all right. So it drops down some little bunnies, and you have to count how many bunnies were there. And you'll click next, and then, oh, those are cute. So it's just going to go over some subitizing and fluency practice in the number gym, like I said, to get your brain ready. So you're going to go through that. It will then take you to another screen where it will be like a lesson. And if you are successfully completing the lesson, then you just move on through. If you are not, then it will send up some videos of how to successfully complete the lesson that way. If you have any questions, please reach out to your child's teacher. The expectation here in first grade is that you do one lesson every day: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you will do 4 lessons a week. If your teacher wants you to do something different, I'm sure they will let you know. Okay, so that was one way to log in. So I'm going to sign out. Another way to log in would be to go to your email, go back up to the waffle, and then find the Google Classroom. You will then click on your Google Classroom that you are in, and then you will go to classwork. And every teacher has this all set up differently, but I have it here so that you can just click right on here through the Google Classroom. We're trying to make it all in one area, so you're not going to like 77 different areas. So then you will click on that, and then it will take you back to that exact screen. So if you just want to use Google Classroom, then that's fine. But if you want to use the browser to type in Zearn, that is also fine. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to your child's teacher, and we will help you the best that we can. Thank you. Have a good day.